Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now let's take a look at GBP USD. We would want to know what will happen this week on GBP USD. Now, before I get started, those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I definitely would love to watch out for it. So when you take a look at this GBP USD, you clearly can see that this is an uptrend move, right? We can see, I think this movement started around January. Ever since period of January, GBPJPY, sorry, it is GBPJPY. GBPJPY has literally been giving us a bullish move, right? Now of recent, we can see this as a correction. You can see lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Personally, I see this as a correction movement. So the next movement I am forecasting on GBP is a movement to the upside. That is my forecast. My forecast is a movement to the upside. So, but you need a confirmation. You don't just jump in and buy, take that buy, right? You need a confirmation. Like they always say, trade what you see and not what you think. This what we are thinking is that okay, our thought is that movement will be to the upside, right? If eventually GBP does not give us that movement to the upside, are you going to take your buy? Definitely no. If it start dropping, then you go ahead and sell. But personally, I'm still seeing as a bullish move. But we would only go ahead to take that buy if we get that confirmation. Only if we get that confirmation. Now, before I continue with what I'm saying, now those of you that are yet to subscribe to that Patreon channel, you can now subscribe it to the Patreon channel. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. I mean, those of you that were actually complaining that you can't literally access the channel whatsoever reason, right now you can now do that. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. There we put out high probability trade that we have higher chances of winning. That is exactly what we put on that channel. So if you're interested, then definitely you can go ahead, and subscribe, and you get access to those our high probability trade. I mean, if you take a look at those trade we took this week that just finished, we took a trade on Eurocard, GBP, USD, Nasdaq 100, and so forth. We actually all hit our profits, by the way. We actually hit our profits. So the link to this trade of playlist will be in the comment section. Now back to this my analysis. But when, like I said, I'm forecasting a movement to the upside, right? But when you take a look at something like this is a lower lows, right? This is a lower highs that came to tap this our trend, right? A new lows that was made that took out this previous lows, and this is a lower highs, right? Then price drop eventually came back to tap this our trend. That does not mean we are still on a bullish move, but eventually it gave us a new lows, taking out this our previous lows. What does market do now? Market has now given us a lower highs. To the extent it even broke above this trend line. Can it fall right here? Absolutely, it can fall. Personally, I'm not seeing it in that way. But if in case it starts falling, then definitely are we going to buy? Definitely not. We are not going to buy in short, we are going to sell. That is if it start getting that confirmation that it will sell. But right now, when you go to the 4-hour time frame, you can clearly see that this is the trend, right? Price is trading below this trend, which we have been doing on our Patreon channel. It will come to this level, drop, come to this level, drop, come to this level, drop. Right now, it eventually came to this same level. We are supposed to get a drop from this level, right? If it was to be a downtrend move, the trend is supposed to drop, but it does not do that. In fact, it broke out of that trend. You can now see this is what we call a trend breakout, right? It broke out of this trend, and guess what? It has now given us a pullback to test this trend line, right? There's every possibility the next move could be a movement to the upside or to a movement to the downside. But for a confirmation that this will continue to go up is if in case GBPJPY goes bullish and take out this highs. If GBPJPY can go bullish and take out the size, then that should be your confirmation that GBPJPY will continue the movement to the upside. Just expect more movement. At least that movement to come to a level of 185, right? If we can break this level of 182, if GBPJPY can break it, then we are heading to a level of 185 to a level of 186. Watch out for that move. But if in case GBPJPY does not break it, if it does not break this highs, then we might continue to see that drop, which personally I don't think so. Like they always say, do not trade what you think, but trade what you see. So we would wait on Monday. We would see what the market does on Monday, right? Then on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we can now place our trade. We will see how the market will make its move. On Monday, we tend to, try to forecast the direction, what markets will do. Markets tends to open the direction on Monday. So if in case price eventually continues to drop, then definitely we will go ahead and sell. we'll continue to go ahead and sell. But if it goes bullish and break this highs, give us a new higher highs, then we can now continue to look for a buy movement to a level of 185. So basically, if you are interested in trading more on maybe GBP and any other currency pairs, you can now subscribe to the Patreon channel. The link will be in the comment section.